It's the last look of the Troy Bilt all cleaned up, and it did clean up good. Did a blade swap on it because the other one was all bent up. Cleaned that air filter in it. That wheel is still kind of bent. It's better than it was. And I put a eye hook up here. You can get these like $4 for $1 instead of buying a $6 rope hook. And change oil in it, which had probably never been changed. It's already gotten dark just running it the little bit I have. But once again, I've taken something that was broken, useless to someone, and didn't do a whole lot to it. I'm going to give this a final start here. Get a little prime. Have the handle tied back. Here we go.